In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Hevy app on Android. If you're looking for a clean, reliable way to log your gym sessions and monitor your improvements, Hevy is a solid choice. Let's get it onto your device so you can start tracking right away. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. You'll find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. It's the multicolored triangle icon. Opening the Play Store brings you to a page with featured apps and a search bar at the top. Tap the search bar and type Hevy Gym Log Workout Tracker. As you type, suggestions may appear. Go ahead and complete the full name to narrow the results. You're looking for the official app listing. When the results load, find the app from Hevy Gym Workout Tracker and tap it to open the details page. On the app page, you can quickly confirm you've got the right one by checking the developer name, the icon, and the description. You'll also see screenshots, ratings, and reviews, which can be helpful for a quick glance at what to expect. When you're ready, press Install. The download will begin immediately. If you're on a limited data plan, it's a good idea to be connected to Wi-Fi while it downloads, especially if your connection is slow. You'll see a progress indicator, and once the download and installation complete, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch Hevy for the first time. You'll be prompted to sign in or create an account. Creating an account ensures your workouts and progress are saved and can sync across devices. If you're new to the app, choose the Create option and follow the on-screen prompts. If you've used Hevy before, simply sign in. After you're in, you can start exploring. Log your workouts set by set, track progress over time with clear charts, build custom routines so your favorite exercises are ready when you are, and if you have a compatible Wear OS watch, sync your sessions for convenient tracking from your wrist. That's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded Hevy on your Android device and taken the first step toward more organized, data-driven training. Open the app anytime from your home screen or app drawer, and you'll be set to record your next workout. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building stronger habits with Hevy.